Hi everyone. Now let me take you through that covers the backup part of the process. Now I'm going to show you the process where the new option in Tally, which is TallyPrime 3.0. There is a new option that I want to show you here that I will take you through now. This is the new version of Tally. So what I have here is, let me open up. Yeah. So this is the demo company that I have. Now, the new option, like if you have already migrated to TallyPrime 3.0, this options will be visible for you. If you have not migrated to 3.0, please reach out to us. We will help you migrate that option. This is considered as one of the major updates. We are structurally in terms of database, there has been a change. This is in a part to welcome more features, more options, new options in the near future. Now, the new option which is available right now is called a filter. So now, before, if you want to search something, some of you may know you would have used the range option. You clicked on Alt F12 and then you have selected, voucher containing ledger name equal to less than something like that, right? Now what we have a simple option now. So this is a day book. Okay, let me start from January 23 for till January 23 till December 23. So I have a bunch of transactions now. Now let's say I want to search something, right? So I have a voucher number called number 5. So I simply click here, apply filter option. So if you can able to see, I don't know, you can click here, apply filter, and then simply you can press 5. Like, let me show you how it looks for you. So this is how it looks. So when I click on apply filter, this is how it looks for you. Apply filter on voucher, look for, let's say, number 5. When I do that, wherever number 5 is there, it is going to filter out. So voucher number having 5, amount is having 5, like that it will filter out everywhere. Now, in some special cases, we want more detail, right? So in that case, what I'm going to do, I'm click on filter again. Now I can click on F12 and then yes. So we want to select a specific field. So what is the field I'm going to select? Let's say voucher number. Voucher number equal to 5. So automatically I can able to find any voucher number which is 5. So this is one option. To search any transaction, sales, purchase, whatever it is, you can able to apply the filter, select voucher number. Or you have entered something in the narration, right? Maybe in the narrations you have entered a specific text, right? So in narration also you have two type of narration for each entry and narration for the whole journal. So if it is a normal narration, you select normal narration here. If it is a narration you entered next to a ledger, then you can select ledger narration. Then you select appropriate conditions. Like for example, equal to means you have to put the exact word. So exactly, let's say if you have put petrol expenses in the if you have put petrol expenses in the ledger narration, then it will take. If you have put exactly, or if you put something similar to that, maybe you have put petrol, then I would choose containing. So in more or less, either you go for equal or containing, and then you type in petrol and then you apply the filter. It will take out specifically those transactions where in ledger level you have entered petrol. So this is one scenario where you can able to apply the filter. Second scenario is available, the stock summary. So here, if you can see, these are the different items I have. Let me open up a different company. 1 minute. So here also I'm not having enough items. Okay, we'll go back to the same thing only. Okay. So now here in the stock summary, I have different quantity. Some are in minus, some are in plus, right? So now here, let's say I want to find a specific item, right? One scenario, use case scenario is sometimes we want to find any item where we have stock less than, let's say, 5 pieces or 10 pieces, something like that, right? Or negative stocks. Now what I can do is I can apply filter. So here automatically it is applying on stock group or stock item. Now I can choose the field on which I want to apply the filter. Let's say I want to apply the filter on closing quantity, right? Now I'm going to choose something like less than 5, right? Now wherever I have items with less than 5, 1 minute. Yeah. So wherever I have items with less than 5 pieces of closing quantity, it able to filter it. Now, as you can see here at the top corner, you can see it is a filter applied report. It is not. So this is how you can identify whether you have any kind of filter applied to that report. So here you can able to see filter applied. Now what you can do in combination of the save view option, you can able to save this view, and whenever you want to open up a report where you have stock with less than certain quantity, 5 pieces, 10 pieces, something like that, you can able to do that. Now the same way we can escape and the filter will not be applied. Now we can go for apply filter again. Now let's say this is also one scenario where customers might ask, now you might ask, okay, I want to have option to take out only the sales or only the returns, right? So recently I came across one such requirement from a client where he said, so give me all the items which have been returned, right? So these are the like all the items I have. These are opening balance, these are purchases, these are sales, and this is my closing balance. Within this, it have both purchase and sales and returns, right? Any adjustment, stock journal, samples we give out for free, and all those kinds of things are there. Now one of my client, what he asked was, okay, show me the same report but only with the returned items, only stock which have been returned back to me. So how do I prepare that report? I can simply click on apply filter. Now I need some more conditions. So for that case, what I will do, I will go on advanced filter. So here I'm going to not select anything here. I'm going to select here calculate values for voucher. Now voucher type name, right? Because we are going to see only the sales returned items. So I'm going to choose voucher type name. Now I'm going to choose equal to credit note. So what happens now is this stock summary report is going to get prepared using only the credit note. So I press enter. Now I can see of all my items, I have only one returned items, which is bubble wrap. 100 rolls have been returned back to me, right? So this is how you can able to prepare reports such as this, where you can able to find out returns like this. Now, second option. Now you may want to enable or prepare a report where only the purchase and sales and these things are there. Like let's say I have given some, I have some stock adjustment, or I have some samples that I have given out. I don't want to include that option. So what I will do in that case, again, same way, I will go for apply filter, right? Now here I will go for voucher. Now I will simply select a different option where ledger name, right, will be equal to sales, right? So this is going to prepare a report where it is showing us only the outwards which are in sales. It is not including, it is including the net sales basically. So if you have any returns, that is included. If you have any purchases, that is included. But if you have any kind of stock journal, any adjustment, if you have made a consumption and production, those things will not be available here. Only where you have recorded sales in sales entry as well as in sales returns. So this is how you can prepare a customized report from existing tally using the apply filter option. This is one more scenario. Now I will give you one more scenario where in trial balance, right? Now here there are other options. Like for example, let's say you have salesmen, right, who are selling different clients. So here, what I have done is I have a client here that I have created under my name, Basit, right? So I have a sale. So if I go to sales report here, I have this many sales, okay? And from this client, I have these three sales. These three sales are there, right? Now these sales belongs to a specific salesman. Now how do I find out? Okay, now I go to the sales report. I'm going to apply filter, and I'm going to apply a filter on voucher with the group, parent group name, right? And that would be equal to all the names will apply here. I select Basit. Now, as you can see, I just prepared a salesman wise sales register. And I, by simply clicking on the profit, which is already available option, I can now able to prepare a salesman report where I can able to take out his sales and profitability for that specific salesman. So this is available if you have created the salesman as a group. The same thing is available also if you have created a salesman as a cost center as well. So if you have created a cost center, right? Same in this way, I have created some cost center as well. And then I have made some sales using that cost center also. Correct. Now, let's say I want to see the salesman from here. Let's say trial balance. Let's go to group summary instead. Accounts book, group summary. Now let's open data. Okay. So this is the entire sales of everybody. Okay. Now I want to apply filter. I will choose advanced filter. Now I don't want to apply filter at the group level. Now I want to apply filter at the voucher level. Now I want to choose cost center name equal to there was some issue with that specific cost center. So what I have done now is I have created a new cost center called Ahmed, and using Ahmed, I have entered one sales entry. Okay, 29,695. This is my sales that I have entered. Now, let's say we want to prepare a report for this specific salesman. I want to prepare the sales report, collection report, as well as outstanding report. So we have already seen the profitability report, how we can prepare from sales register. In order to prepare the report for sales, collections, and outstanding, we'll go to more report, accounts book, group summary. We will select debtors as a whole. So all the sales will be available here. 1 minute. Because this was a sale made in cash, I believe it is not appearing here. That's fine. Correct. Okay. So we'll go to accounts book, group summary, and then we will select now I'm going to select something called debtors. Okay, so this debtors will bring us the entire sales, sorry, all the clients that we have. Here we are going to apply a filter. Now I'm going to choose voucher, and then this will be the cost center name. Let's say if you are getting the salesman name Ahmed, let's correct. So now it is preparing here for, now here I can see with the filter applied for Ahmed, I can able to see this client having 34,150, which is the total outstanding here. Now, by simply pressing F12, I can enable the opening balances, transactions, and closing balances as well. Now I can able to see what is my sales. Sale is 34,150. Credit is the collection. I don't have any collection as of now. And 34,150 is my balances. So this is another example of how you can apply the filter. So it depends on your business scenario, right? So this option, this filter option has unlimited potential in terms of creating a new report. So you can able to just click on a filter at any report at any level. This is available even at the trial balance level, right? In some companies I have seen they will prepare trial balance for different branches as a one single, like there will be current asset Riyadh, current asset Dammam. So we can simply apply a filter with the group name containing the Jeddah or Riyadh, then it is going to prepare a trial balance specifically for that branch. So that is also one more use scenario. And then you can able to prepare the balance sheet also in the same similar way by applying filter. So you can able to use this apply filter option in any and all report which is available in Tally, and in combination to that you can use the save view. So if you are frequently applying filter for a specific thing, then you can simply save the view of that specific report, and you can able to easily access it using the go to option, from where you can able to go and view any kind of report which is made in that specific thing. So this is how the apply filter option works. This is one of the new function of TallyPrime 3.0. So there are some other feature as well. So most of the changes in 3.0 has been made on the back end of the application. So this is in relation to the more and more options that Tally is going to introduce in the near future. But for the time being, this is one of the option. And in the next webinar, we will cover more options that has been made available in the latest version of TallyPrime. Once again, I thank everyone for joining us today. I hope you found the session useful and you got something from this session today. Looking forward to you attending the next session. We'll keep you posted on that. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Azhar, also for taking that session. Thank you.